Now let me talk about the different instructions that we give in the agentic AI system. Instructions. Firstly, we have tool. Secondly, we have system, and then we have skill file, system, and then tool. In the tool, what is specifically the tool? The tool here I call it as a function, the Pythonic function. Basically definition, name, and then we move on to the inside these things. Here we write docstring. That docstring is an instruction to the Python function, not for the LLM or AI. Here we write what it has to do. What it has means the arguments. How it has to produce the data or the final output. This is specific to the Python function, not LLM. Here we have system instruction, that is the prompt. In prompt we have the role, the goal, final structure. This is specifically for the LLM. We give the one short example on how to generate the knowledge. And then we have a skill. This is markdown file. Here we write a lot of rules on what to do. What if the data is greater than 1? What if the CEO resigns? What if insider trading happens? Is that a red flag or green flag? What if the valuation is more? Whether that is overvalued or undervalued? Whether it is a risk worthy or risk averse? Like that, we represent a lot of rules inside this MD file. MD file cannot be accessed directly to the LLM, so we use the Python function. Python function basically a tool that is used to extract the text from the markdown file. So that text will be used along with the system instruction for the LLM to produce a required information. This skill file also contains the metadata, that is the name, description, ID, because it will be useful for the LLM to choose which file it wants to generate the information, because the description contains the specific information related to that skill. Basically it may be a marketing skill, or sales skill, or research skill, or writing skill, like that, so that the LLM save a lot of tokens, so the API cost.